ense ya Kenya kora serikali enene kubwaterana serikali county ya Nairobi nigobono EGATI ya barai banyatuka bagwesokia na komochia okobwaterana uko hasiri tukoria lero abarai bari bakwa okoboke serikali yobomo hanemo n'abajumbe kuri ase county ya Nairobi baesokire na ko okoboke mirobire yase bona batebire nigera chikokonya he county ya Nairobi kwegenderia samagendro na begokonya bananchi kwegenderia senchiriringia
that we are still struggling with what really is public participation. The courts have said that public participation should not be a ruse. It should not just be a joke. It must be something meaningful as to get the information from wananchi. But whether that information will be used is another matter. Yes. Whether that information has been harvested from people used is another matter. So we are struggling around it. And the point we make today, somebody is out there confusing wananchi, that it is transfer of function, that Sakaja has now just been rendered useless. He is supposed to go home. That people are bringing NMS in Nairobi. This is a reinforced, robust. It is helping to create Nairobi in a space, and I really, honestly, want to thank Hechi, the president, because to think through, that has not happened before. You remember the other regime thought through, but brought in NMS, and you know how NMS brought down, could not work functionally because of inter-dysfunctional mechanisms. But he has thought through, and has decided that let us come in and help Nairobi run, pump finance. So it is not about transfer of functions. Not even one function has been given out. This is about revamping and taking care of our central metropolis the way we know it.
We are here to make a quick statement on the national government, Nairobi County Government Cooperation Agreement, that on the 17th of February 2026, the national government and the Nairobi City County government signed a cooperation agreement pursuant to Article 189 of the Constitution of Kenya and Section 6 of the Urban Areas and Cities Act. This agreement gives effect to a statutory requirement that has existed for over a decade, which provides that the two levels of government shall enter into a structured framework for the performance of functions and delivery of services for the people of Nairobi City. Nairobi is not only a county government under Article 176 of the Constitution, it is the capital city of the Republic of Kenya.